It's Cameron from Nick and Cameron. Out here on my uncle's property, or his daughter's property. It's about 80 acres, 60 of which is rideable. So I'm here on my 1988 XR100. It's a bit wet out here, that's why it's steaming. Well, the smoke, not exhaust. So we're gonna have a good time out here, probably for, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half. I'll edit it down to like 15 minutes of, me sliding around and going wild. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This should be pretty fun. Hopefully you guys can see everything. If you guys like these videos, just let me know and I'll do plenty more of them. Muddy back here. Got a few rivers going through here. This whole property is basically on a big hill, so, and it's been raining for the past like 4 days. Ooh. Ooh, the high ground now it's dry. Hopefully it's not too shaky for you guys. It's been a while since I've been out here. Just trying to go slow around the track, and it's really muddy, so it's a lot muddier than I thought it would be. So the story of the property is the bottom 40 acres is half old growth and half of these dumb Christmas trees that my great uncle planted. And the lower 40 is owned by my great aunt. His last name is Fitch, but she lives in Pennsylvania, so there's nothing's going on with this property. And then my cousin bought the upper 40 from my great uncle, who is a hoarder, and her last name is Fritch with an R. It's kind of odd. So it's a Fitch and Fritch farm. Now the upper 40 has a shop and a reasonable sized house that was made in 1901. Now the house was basically ruined by my great uncle because he had kind of a hoarder's nest, and he liked chickens, so he had chickens inside, and everything was covered in mold, and it was pretty nasty. Now my uncle lives up here, and he's the caretaker. He's been the caretaker for about, I don't know, 6 years, and he's redoing the inside of the house. And I think the plans are that my cousin's gonna open this as a bed and breakfast / winery, or like a wine tasting place. Whoops, neutral. That's kind of the story of this place. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't have a mic to wear, so I'm just going off the GoPro's audio, which, to be honest, pretty shitty. So, an update on my Nick's, an update on Nick's 69 bus. He started painting it, so the entire top is the original color is pearl white. So he has the entire top painted pearl white, and it turned out nice. He did it himself. And then the front is painted around, and then everywhere is painted around the windows, pearl white. He wants to repaint the entire car, but it's kind of expensive. So he's probably gonna have to wait till he gets his tax return. Nothing's really been going on with the 61 single cab. I'll link both of those videos, all three of the videos that I just talked about in the description below. Oh, another thing, on a 69, they had to rebuild the transmission, but it's running great now. He put in new seals. The inside still smells like mold. He got a new pop top tent. I don't think he's put it in yet. He repainted the top white, so it's like pearl white and like acrylic white. After he gets it painted, which will probably be, some, like, I don't know, maybe more near the summer, we'll have another video out about it, doing kind of like a final restoration video, because we still gotta kind of redo some of the inside stuff, like the headliner and, oh shit, super muddy. You still gotta redo the headliner, the wood headliner, and a couple of other things, and I'll get it ready. But once it's fully restored, or as close as it's gonna get, we'll probably do a final update on it, and then he might sell it and start on a new project, which should be pretty fun for him. Muddy back here. And I've got tires that haven't been changed since like 1995. Just a little history on this bike. I got it in, I think, 2018, maybe 2017. It's an it's a 1988 XR100, which is a complete dirt bike. But I got it from a guy in Salem, and this guy decided that he wanted to get it titled as a street legal dirt bike. So it's a clean title, 1988 Honda XR100, in my dad's name, because I was under 18 when I bought it. I bought it for $850. These things go for like $1,400 now in this condition, running and driving with clean title. And the thing is, it has a street plate, so if I wanted to update get a more powerful magneto and update add maybe like I think it's headlights, a headlight, a tail light, blinkers on the front and back, and a rear view mirror. And I wanted and I decided, hey, I need to get a motorcycle license, and I needed something to ride. I could get this on the road, which is wild. Now, I've been thinking about selling it because I mean, this is the second time I've ridden it this year, or well, in the past, 365 days, because it's the 5th of January, or the 4th of January, I think. Yeah, 4th of January. You guys will be seeing this the 5th, or it'll be coming out the 5th. Not sure when you guys will be seeing it. Wow, there's a lot of shotgun shells right here. Yeah, my uncle's neighbor goes hunting back here, and so does my other uncle. This is on my owned on my dad's side. My dad has he's the 6th of 7 children, and they all live in Battleground, or like Camas or Vancouver and Washington. So they all come up here and hunt and stuff. But yeah, this is a 1988 Honda XR100. Pretty good condition. There's a couple things on it that are a little messed up, like it has like kind of messed up plastic. Like it has all the plastics, but the plastics that has like the back fender is like completely fucked up. And I don't know. It might be a little faded, and like the sticker on the side it's mostly there on that side and like half there on that side, but I'll probably just power wash it off. The only problem is I looked last night and I could not for the life of me find OEM or reproductions of this sticker. Now if you guys can, please hit me up, eBay, Letgo, anything. If you guys can find it, send me a link. Again, if you guys like these kind of videos, I was thinking about buying a Banshee, like saving up and buying a Banshee. If you guys want to see Banshee videos, please let me know in the comments. So yeah, so as you can see, the power lines are built through my, they kind of split the property down the middle. It's like, I think they go through the lower 40, but like, it's pretty close to the upper 40. So I'm going to cut across here and go back up to the front. Make sure I'm on. Oh, no. Oh, shit. It's getting out in that big puddle. I'm getting the deer tracks. Problems I've had with this is like I went to Jones Creek when I first got it, and the rattling made the shifter lever fall off, and then the back brake lever is bent and a tiny bit rusty, and then the Kickstarter doesn't want to stay in, and it's like almost shear because the way they set these up, they don't pivot at the bottom of the stick, they pivot at the top, so they tend to shear off because of how they're set up. It's a little annoying. In one ear I'm not listening to anything, and in the other I'm listening to like Red Hot Chili Peppers. Comment your favorite band down below. Yeah, so I think the rest of this will probably just have a little bit of music over it. Copyright free, of course. And I'll probably just be riding in silence. So I'll hit you guys up at the end of the video, and hope you guys enjoy. How bad is it? Like, no. What? Back of my legs are worse? Okay.
Wet?
Or muddy or whatever. Okay. Yeah, so, I went down to like the power lines where it has a no trespassing sign, and then I turned around and came back up.
That's a good place to turn around, because after that, you can fucking bury that stuff.